Nationwide Cleaning and Support Services has specialised in providing bus cleaning services to many operators over the past 20 years. When the pandemic took over all our lives, we had to quickly adjust our cleaning regime to reduce the spread of the virus. We worked closely with Oxford Bus and the Go Ahead Group to improve our cleaning regime and make public transport safe for all passengers and staff. We changed our products to antiviral chemicals. We're now using a product called Guardicide, which is clinically proven to kill the COVID virus. We also enhanced our cleaning regime, paid special attention to touch points such as bells, grab handles and poles. Frequency of cleaning has been increased to provide added protection for our passengers and staff. Drivers also receive an enhanced deep clean of their cabs on a daily basis to ensure all areas are sanitised before they start duty, and our staff have been retrained in line with the latest advice from Public Health England. We've also changed shift patterns and break times to allow social distancing. Personal protective equipment has been issued and implemented the mandatory use of face coverings, just to name a few of the changes. We increased our auditing and recording regime. All vehicles are audited and every antiviral clean is recorded. For added peace of mind, our clients test the buses with a COVID swab machine, which provides a reading of the sterile surface. We've been very fortunate to work with forward-thinking clients who have invested time and resource into enhancing the cleaning regime and chemicals. Buses, in my view, have never been cleaner for passengers, and we hope to see our passengers back on the network as soon as they feel they wish to do so.